You can't wait to start your first e-commerce ad campaign, but you don't know where to start. I'm going to tell you right now, you are not ready. You need to prepare yourself mentally and physically for what is about to come. First thing you need to do is pick a winning product. If you want to find a winning product, you need to go to a website that has a lot of foot traffic. When you find a product that has a lot of foot traffic, this means that people are interested in buying that product. The next thing you need to do is find a supplier for your product. You can do this by going to a website that helps you find suppliers for your product. Once you find a supplier, you need to order a sample from them. Make sure the sample is good before you move forward. The next step is to create a landing page for your product. You can do this by using a website builder. Once you have your landing page built, it's time to start driving traffic to it. You can do this by running ads on social media platforms. If you follow these steps, you will be on your way to dominating the digital space. Thanks for watching.